million. My gosh. Just see the cast real lights from. But nothing. Oh my gosh. How dangerous. Night from casino.
As you can see now we are going back to home. It's the night and a heavy rain.
This is not rain.
And we can't see anything from there.
Whoa!
That's scary! My gosh!
My gosh! We are just crossing water! Whoa! Shit!
Too hard! There is car. My gosh! And the big thunder light, we just see the lightning.
Make noise!
Yeah, otherwise it's heavy to happen.
Can't see anything! Whoa! Whoa!
Actually it's
The
so
lights-
dark, but even the
Whoa.
lights is not working. My god.
That's just a shoot.
Oh, the thunder is strong and the lightning on the sky. It's so dangerous tonight. Actually it's very dark, but because of lightning and rain we can see everything is really bright.
My gosh! Tomorrow there will be food. Whoa! How dangerous now? How dangerous? My God! So dangerous, Whoa! Hello guys, we just arrived home and we experienced a heavy rain and sandstorm. Can't believe it's very dangerous. Can't express by myself. Just I've experienced the same, so we know what happened. My gosh, during the driving just next to us, the sandstorm just hit the light next to us.
Yeah.
Oh, Honey is so brave. Still holding the video and record that. Still we feel,
So bad.
yes.
A bad experience in life.
Just think when in danger that time. So dangerous. So dangerous. And it's the roadside. My God, before we also drive
In Nabu, it was
in the
more
rain. But it's
dangerous.
daytime. This
Yeah.
time it's night. This is all I wish everyone from of the video watch our videos. Watch drive in the rain. That's so dangerous. Now, from our experience, I think maybe we need to take it serious. Don't drive during the rain, especially in the heavy rain or sandstorm. That's very dangerous now. Can't believe. Okay, guys, bye bye.